Okay, what letter is this?
B.
That's B. What sound does B make? B. B. Okay. Which one of these makes the sound B? Is it B?
Me.
B. Good job. Here. B. 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 Okay. What letter is that?
C.
C. Good job. Which one of these makes the sound K? K? Is it an rhinoceros or a car? Which one do we circle? Car?
Cow.
We circle car. Okay. K, k, car. Okay, what letter is this? D. What letter is that? D. D. Say D.
D.
D. All right. Doll or kite? Which one do we circle? Doll or kite? Come on. Doll or kite? We're gonna circle doll. All right. E. Say E.
E.
E. Elephant or lion? Elephant. Very good. Circle elephant. Elephant. Okay, what letter is this? What letter is this? Lou, what letter is this? F? F? Which one? Fan or mitten? Fan or mitten? Which one makes the letter F sound? Fan? Which one you gonna circle? We're gonna circle fan. Circle fan. Okay, say F. F. Come on, try it. Say F.
K.
All right. G. 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 Grape or acorn? Grape or acorn? G. 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 Very good. Grape. All right. What letter is this, Lou? What letter is that? What's that? H. H makes the sound. Hat. Oh, that was good. Hat. You circled hat. Okay. I. Iguana or very good. Iguana. What letter is this? J. Bell or jacket? Which one do we circle? That's the J. Jacket or bell? Jacket or bell? Okay. We're gonna circle jacket. Jacket starts with the letter J. All right. What letter is this? What letter is this? K. K. Say K. K.
Car.
K. Good job. Key or truck? Key. Good job. Let's circle key. L. L. So lollipop or book. Lollipop. What sound does L make? Let me see L. L. Look at mommy. Look at mommy. Come here. Look at mommy. Look at me. La 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 la. Look at me. Look at mommy's tongue. La 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 la. Okay.